going to Piza, yay!
Yeah.
And then on to Volterra. Obviously myself and Chris have been to Piza before, we know that it's hot. Then in Volterra we're going to do the ride up through the town with everybody on top of the cars. We haven't volunteered for it because we don't want to crack the windscreen, and we know that's happened to this chassis type before because the roof's a bit flimsy. Piza. Left Venice this morning, now we're just leaving Piza. Second time seeing it, lovely to see it again. It's far too hot, although this time we have aircon to return to the car to, and it's amazing.
Looky men weren't as bad.
Yep, the wee guys selling their watches
at the roundabout, take the first exit to via
threw them €5, told them to watch the car, all good. We had a bit of an issue last time we were here with them. Paddy, did you enjoy Piza?
Lovely.
What was your favourite part of Piza?
Got the fake watches. Nah, the scenery was lovely.
Bit of culture in amongst us. Onwards to the campsite.
in half a mile.
We made it to Volterra. It's nice to be here, I guess. Looking forward to what we get to do tonight. I forgot about that bit. It's going to be fun. Lovely view, as always. This place is awesome. Volterra. It's a treat.
This is going to look great in slow motion.